Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves. Welcome to our Expressions Dance School. And I'm Alexandros and with me is Andrea. We're both from the Island of Cyprus. And today we're going to be doing a nice, I would say, intermediate to advanced combination. And I know you're used to us doing this way, but today we're going to do it in this direction because most of the handwork that we do shows better in that direction. So as we do now with our new videos, if some of you don't know, first we show the move with counting 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And let me warn you from the beginning, this is going to be a long mother. It's a long combination, but when I made it, I felt like I wanted to put more and more and more. And then I break it down into a lesson, and then we dance it at the end with music. So you can get up if you have a partner. I know some of you don't. I have a lot of solo things you can check out. The previous week, if you have to see my list here, and I'll put it also in the description, I did only 7 days of everyday isolation. So if you're alone at home and you don't have a partner, maybe you can check that out. Alright, let's go for the combinación. We gotta be in this direction so you can see most of the handwork happening. Basic first. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 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 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, out. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, ending. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, switch. 5, 6, let it go. 1, 2, 3. Fini. I told you it's gonna be a long one, guys. So if you want to stick around for the lesson, I'm very happy to take the time and show it to you if you have a partner so you can have fun at home. Salsa, bachata, social dances will not die. We're gonna get rid of COVID and we're gonna dance again. Let's go. Okay guys, now we're gonna do the lesson. First of all, let's do something easy. 1, 2, pull the lady on 3, 5, 6, 7. And you bring her into what I call the burrito or the hug. Okay? Now we want to try to give the lady, don't worry about the steps, just another turn, let go and catch again. So it's gonna be a double progressive turn. For the boys, it's important to go 1, 2, 3. So the lady comes forward and realizes there's something happening, progression in this direction. So we go 1, 2, 3, prepare on 5, 6, and 7. Right here now, you're going to throw the left hand, that's her right hand. 1, 2, catch it on 3 behind. And now it's just a basic Cuban front turn. She's going to go and you're going to pull your whole body to come back. Now, I didn't do it by 7, but it has to be by 7, both hands to come to the right side. Now, I'll come here, turn this direction because it's a little bit weird, like that. And in order for it to work, 5, 6, 7, she's going back, 1. And you're going to slowly apply that so you can give her a progression of double turn so you come into the cross. You're like, what? Don't worry guys, we'll do it again. Let's go slowly, and this is the best angle. All right, 1, 2, from the top. Progression now, turns. Throw, catch behind by 3, move away your body, 5, 6, up. Now 1, 2, she's not going to turn. And 5, 6 together. This is the best trick now. You're going to throw this hand with your own hand, that's your right hand. And at the same time, you guys got to turn and leave it here and grab it. Now, her one hand is low, the one hand is up. So I'm just going to show what I'm doing there. Hi. So I go left, right, you can go right, left. And then when I bring it here, I have my thumbs and I throw behind. Try to think, it's important. You can make it work if it's the left and the right on top. Sorry, her right and the left on top. Or if it's her left and the right on top. You can make the move. But I prefer to have her right hand behind. So when I throw, I have a fraction of a second towards her right hand. I favor that. And then I can catch here. Okay? Let's see again how we got there. First of all, we are from here and we throw the hand. 1, 2, 3. She just does a basic turn. Make sure you use your body weight to lead her. 1, 2, very relaxed hands. 5, 6. Now, guys, you're going to turn to the right, throw the hand, leave the other one on your waist so you can catch. And I call this the Chucky, you know. 1, 2, ba. And then as we do a basic, we're going to do a copa. So we have to release the right hand so the lady comes here. Then we bring her to a crossbody lead with a turn. Notice that I keep connection so I stay with the hand here. Now I put the hand over and I pull her slightly in by 3 because she's going to do progressional turns. I just pull with my right and I switch to the left and all the way up. Continue wearing 1 to the shoulder to the elbow and then forward crossbody lead to a half. Okay, these ones are a little bit easier, so I'm going a little bit faster, but we'll do it again. And then 1, 2, ask for the hand. On 5, now 6 and 7, she only has to do a half a turn. 6, 7. Make sure you hold her also with your elbow, because most of the ladies, when I do this, they tend to turn. But if you hold her with your elbow, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. We got out of the frame, I know. But in that angle, you got a real idea of what's happening. Okay, let's do it from the Chucky chan. And raka-taka-ta-ta. And 1, 2, let go of the right, catch again, behind her back, over la cabeza, bring her in on 3, progressional turns, quite easy, over the head and slide from the shoulder to the elbow to the hand, help a little bit. Now bring her with you and ask for the hand roller, catch her, 1, 2, remember the shoulder, 5, 6, you can finish here. Before I gave her an extra turn, guys, that turns it into an advance, I apologize. Keep it up to here, it's much easier. Now, from the 1, I lean over, but don't lean over like that towards the lady. You want to lean over like this. 1, 2, 3, and with your body, if you see it in this direction, with your body, you're actually giving her a swivel in. And of course, this is not a preparation because it's going to continue the same direction for the lady to go that way. Okay, let's do it from here. It's quite weird, guys. Ladies don't expect without the correct preparation. If you want to turn to the right, we should prepare to the left, but this is opposite. 1, 2, think of it as a Cuban progression or walk into a spin. Yes, you can do a second one, you can do 1. I like doing 2 there, of course. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. She has enough time. Now make sure you keep the, sorry about this, the badass finger in, so you can be soft to go 1, 2, over, 5, keep the left hand down, 6, 7, we come to a completa. Now this one, it's a 1, 2, bring the lady behind, she turns and you give her another turn. Alright, I think the best way to do it is do it one time this direction so you see what happens for the lady as well. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, down, up. Your technique. Don't try to go circle. Down, up, and the physics will take care of the rest. Now that you know how it looks on the other side, I know it's a big one, huh? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We're going to have some fun with the hands. No steps from now. We're going to throw the left and catch it, and then we're going to roll this, and we're going to pretend we're hitting it here. Okay? No? Alright, sorry guys, it flipped because I was actually trying to think where it's better to start it from, and I think from this part, so we don't always go from the beginning because it's a big move. 5, 6, now we're here. Now we can repeat again this part. We're going to throw the hand and touch it by 3. Boom! Okay? Let's try to do it again. I think the hand should be on this side. Nope, you should be on the other side. You see, you can get it wrong if you spin only from one direction. And we go 1, 2, 3, throw, change, change. So it's a very smooth and easy handwork. Catch her normal and just give her a turn to her right. And you're there in that position. I'll do it one last time, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open for a copa. 1, 2, 3. Now the ending. Hold the hands, don't let go. Now give her the release of 1, 2, 3. And I put my hands here, ladies. Don't bend the head beforehand. Let the guy help you. 5. Guys, you're going to let go now of the hand that's holding and touch your shoulder blade to continue leading her. Okay, it's just a nice extra feeling. Then 1, 2, catch the elbow, push her forward, and elbow back. Sorry for hitting you, but many guys tend to do this, guys. 1, 2, 3, circle. That's not what you do. Look at my hand without a lady. 1, 2, 3, forward and back. It's like punching, you know, bringing it back. So I'll do it from this direction. 1, 2, 3, look. And it's so soft, I don't need any more power. So that's gonna be our last move. She turns this way, we can grab and continue the combination. Okay guys, one last time. I know I'm becoming annoying, but if you like, you can just click and go see it to music. One last time, the whole thing, because we haven't practiced the beginning. It's like, what's the beginning still? Let's go basic first. 1, 2, 3, here we go, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Throw, 2, 3, 5, 6, over la cabeza. 1, 2, softly, 5, 6, 7. Throw, 2, 3, quick, and throw. 1, 2, the copa, 5, 6, and 7. Over la cabeza, progression out turns. Over la cabeza, half a turn like Titanic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, shoulder hold. 1, 2, 3, not too many turns, guys. Same direction, 5, 6, 7, over la cabeza, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And you've seen this on the other side. 5, 6, handwork. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Finale. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Let's go to music.